Warning, Pepe coin holders. I've got a video for you guys today. We're going to talk about Pepe because there's some very interesting things in the charts that we need to be paying attention to so you do not get caught and so you do not lose money. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. I have another video for you guys. Today we're going to talk about Pepe coin. I'm going to give you guys my opinion on where I think we're going to be headed here. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now, and let's hop in this video. All right, guys, so we are looking at the Pepe coin chart on the daily time frame, flirting with the overall bullish trend line here, this yellow line. And if we break below it, it's going to be look out below, because we're probably going to be breaking significantly down if we do break down below it. But that is not why I'm having a warning video for Pepe coin holders today, because, guys, I believe the warning is to the upside. When you look at this right now, it does look like we are starting to bottom out just a little bit. Now, I'm not saying that we're going straight to the moon right now, and I'm not saying that we are out of the woods just yet, but as of right now, we are postured to the upside. We have two buy signals on Market Cipher with a nice little touch of the red money flow coming out, but it is coming down, but we're still in the red money flow, and that's why I'm saying we're not just out of the woods just yet, but I have cut almost all my shorts on my altcoins. You know, and if you've been watching the Crypto Report the past few videos, I've been saying that I'm short alts and I'm long Bitcoin. Really, I was only short alts to hedge against my spot positions. And yeah, we could come further down from here, but as of right now, based on everything I'm seeing, it does look like we are close to the bottom. And I know that I'm putting myself in a corner by saying that, but it does seem like a lot of these alts are starting to bottom out here, guys. And I am positioned to the upside here. I do think that Pepe's probably going to make a move to the upside, so I am long. If you guys want to take advantage of this upcoming volatility, check out the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign bonus to Blowfin, as well as 15% off all trading fees for the live stream account. And on top of that, there is a trading competition going on right now. So if you sign up down below, or if you've already signed up through our link, you are a part of my team. And as we make money through leverage trading, we will be able to split up to $5.6 million if we are a profitable team. So check out down below. Join the trading competition. Maybe we can make some money, and maybe even make some more money if we win. So where is Pepe right now? Pepe sitting ranked 29, down 1% on the past 7 days, and getting a little bit of relief here at about 6.68% in the past 24 hours. And again, I like to see that. You look at Pepe right here sitting above a $4 billion market cap. I can't believe that we broke below $4 billion. It's absolutely insane. But right now we are back above it. And I do think that we are getting prepared to have some relief here, guys. And all-time high this cycle was about $12 billion. So that is about a 60% gain. So that's like a 3x on your money if you were to buy it right now. I'm not saying you should do that. I'm still on the camp of that we are not out of the woods just yet. But things are starting to turn a little bit more bullish. There's bullish divergences. I think that we probably are due for a little bit of a bounce here. If you follow me on crypto Twitter at 333blacksea, I say it feels like everyone has given up on altcoins and crypto right now. And guys, the reason why I'm saying that, I said this earlier today, this is exactly what you want, okay? If you are long Pepe coin, if you are long altcoins, if you're long crypto, what you want to happen is for everybody to say it's over. When everybody is saying it's over, and it's clearly not over, when everyone's saying it's over and it's like, well, I don't know about that just yet. We haven't had confirmations, but everyone's saying it's over, it's over, it's over. I usually like to lean towards the side of, hey, maybe I should be looking at longing some of these beaten up coins. And that's what I'm doing right now. And I might get wrecked on some of those. Sure, I'm using very tight stop losses, but this is exactly what you want to see if you are bullish on alts right now and memes and crypto in general. It's for everyone to say it's over. So when you look at the overall market, Bitcoin trading at 97,500 as the recording of this video. Bitcoin dominance at 59.84%. Seeing a little bit of life here in Ethereum. I don't want to say anything because anytime anybody starts bull posting ETH, it likes to dump. But right now, things are starting to turn a little bit. And I've been saying for a while, that I think after the first week and a half of February, we're going to start seeing a decision be made throughout crypto of where we're going to be headed here for the rest of Q1 and maybe even the rest of the year. So we have to be paying very close attention to these next few days here to really get an idea of where we're headed. You look at Bitcoin dominance right now, we are breaking down below the 2-year rising wedge. I like to see that. You zoom out here and you can see what I'm talking about. Let's go to the weekly time frame as well. Let's see, are we breaking down below on the weekly? So we've been climbing up this for 2 years. We broke down below it. Everyone was screaming altcoin season. And then we had our massive blow off top up here after the market took a huge capitulation. And now, look at that on the weekly time frame. It is looking like we want to spill over here, which would be very good. If this turns into a bearish engulfing candle on the weekly, I'd be saying risk is to the upside for altcoins, my friends, unless obviously there's a market-wide nuke, but I think that we kind of have already seen that play out, and I do think that a lot of that long liquidity has been wiped out. So what comes next after that? Well, you got to wipe out the short liquidity. That's what the exchanges do. So I would not be surprised to see some relief here. I know that there's like a record amount of liquidity sitting at about $110,000 on Bitcoin right now, so that would probably be a lucrative price level to reach for these exchanges. And I do think that as of right now, you're looking at Bitcoin, green dot on market cipher, starting to see the RSI start to curve up back again, slowly, ever so slowly. If we get back above the 60 line, probably going to be heading towards new all-time highs. And yes, we do have a little bit of a red money flow. If you watched my Dogecoin video from earlier, I was talking about this red money flow. It wouldn't be the first time we saw something like this play out before seeing a big move to the upside. You turn green and then a little baby red, then a huge move. You can see it happen all along during the bull market, really. But when you look at this, I would not be surprised to see this curl up here. I really want to see on the daily time frame closures above like 98,000 would be great. Honestly, closing right here even would be fine, like 97,000. That would be fine. But when you look at the weekly time frame, let's see where we're at here. The weekly time frame, we're not out of the woods yet, that's for sure. 3 days and 21 hours, in my opinion, I really would like to see us above 98,700. But we could get another week of sideways here. That'd be all right, but I really, really want to see this decision happen, and I do expect that to happen sooner rather than later. I do expect February to be a bullish month for Bitcoin and altcoins. And we are about halfway through February, so it's only a moment of time before we see a larger move here, and I do expect it. And that's why I'm saying if you guys want to take advantage of this volatility, check out Blowfin down below because there will be lucrative gains to take advantage of. When you look at the overall crypto market cap right now, we're flirting with this previous cycle high $3 trillion market cap. I do not really like seeing that. This is the first time we've ever seen this, where you break above it and retest it and then just float there for a while and then break below it. First time we've seen that, guys. First time we've seen that. Don't really like to see that, but hey, in trading, anytime you see new things, you should be taking note of it. We are seeing money flow in the red on the overall crypto asset class. You know, guys, we're going to have to feel this one out. We're going to have to see what happens here. But as of right now, it does look like we're starting to curl up here. Really don't want to touch or come below like 3.1 trillion. And right now we're sitting at about 3.18, nearly 3.2 trillion. As long as we start to curve up here, it's going to be right in line with my analysis, and that being that Bitcoin is probably going to see a move to the upside. It's probably going to bring alts up with it because alts are so beaten down right now. Probably is a good time to liquidate some of those shorts, in my opinion. Guys, if you stuck around this far, please go follow me at 333blacksea on Instagram and Twitter. If I can get to 1,000 followers in the next 72 hours on Instagram, I will give one of you guys $1,000 so you can buy this dip. Hopefully, I reach 1,000 followers before this dip gets eaten up because I do think that the risk is to the upside right now. Yeah, there's obviously invalidations, but I still think that the probability is that we make a move to the upside here for the rest of February. So please pay very close attention to where this market's at, guys. Let me know in the comment section below. What do you think about Pepe? Do you think that the bottom is in, or do you think that this is a little bit of a trap to liquidate some more greedy bulls? I think that it's probably about that time to see a little bit of a relief bounce, but that's not financial advice. I put my money where my mouth is. I've closed the majority of my shorts, and I'm getting ready to long a little bit. I know that may sound crazy, but longing in a bull market, that's what you're supposed to do. Shorting is a little bit risky until you have clear indication that we are coming down. But right now, I'm not telling you to long. I'm not telling you to short. It's your money. You do whatever you want with it. But I'm just giving you guys my opinion on where I think the market's headed. That's all I got for you guys. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.